Hi guys, can you believe I'm making 3 videos in one day? And I don't even make a video in a whole month, and now I'm doing 3. It's because I'm doing the HSN haul that they had at the beginning of the month, and everything finally just came in. So hi, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. Thank you so much for stopping by. I miss everyone. I'm really busy. I have my first grandson coming, my first grandchild, and he's going to be a boy. He's coming in less than 4 weeks. I'm going to fly back to Florida and spend a lot of time with Sarah and wait for the baby to come. We are packing the house, my craft room, and moving to the lake that we've been working for a year. So maybe while I'm in Florida, Johnny will move the whole house, but I can't promise because it's just taken a long time, because it's just Johnny by himself every Saturday. It's a Saturday, build the house, Sunday, clean up our mess and head back to this house. So, but you know what? We'll get there. Anyway, so let me show you this box from HSN. It's a card kit, and it's a big box. See? I mean, it is a big box. So it is about 14 inches by 9 inches. It's a pretty good size box. It is called Little Darling Winnie. This is Winnie. Little Darling Winnie Pretty Perfect Card Kit. 36 cards you can make, plus more, because I won't use all the stuff. And so I bought this from HSN, and it cost like $1.05 per card. So let me show you, or do you want to see the cards I've made first? We'll show you the cards first. That way you can see what they're like and understand. Okay. And I've only made a couple, and I'm getting there. So here's one. It says happy birthday. Everything you see comes with it. The doilies, not the pop dots, and not the ribbon. And so, and I didn't add very much to this one. It was my first one. And this is the inside where you write whatever you want. I want a stamp that says handmade with love by Leigh, or handmade by Leigh, or something. Anyway, so there's one. I made a couple of these very simple, but I want to get better at it and add more and more. So here's another one. Let's see if that glare. You're a star. See, and I only, this is only a few pieces. So there's 2 of them. Trust me, you could have added, and just stay in the kit, you could have added a lot more. So I made an easel one. So you get the card, and you just fold this part in half. So this is 4 inches, so I scored it at, no, this is 6 inches, so I scored it at 3. And it's just in half. So if you lay it down, see, if you lay it down, just score it in half, and have some pop dots down here to hold it. So instead of these going in the inside, I put it on the outside. So I reversed it instead of vice versa. So there you go. And it's all pop dotted and the different things. So there is that one. When I went back home last weekend, my little niece Ruby said, Aunt Leigh, can we start the pen pal back and write letters to each other? So I was so grateful that I knew I had this at the house, and I said I am going to start making cards right now and mail one to her. So here's one with more layering, with the leaves and the little flowers that went with it and all this. And there's the pop dotted section to hold the card into place. And I added more layering, so there's that card. So that's my cards that I made. So let me show you what the kit looks like, because girls, I didn't show you nothing. Those were only 2 out of this whole box. So let's look inside. So here's what it looked like when I made That's what it looked like, the empty one. But I'll show you. So here's the one that I showed you that's raised. Here's that one. And see, I didn't use half of the stuff. I didn't use half of all these. And see how they tear out. So there's that one. You get 3 of each. And then here is the blonde Winnie. And this one goes there. So look at all the stuff. There's the blonde Winnie. There's 2 more of those. Let's put those to the side. Here's the little brown-headed Winnie. And see, this one's falling out from the bottom end. And see, here's this goes on. Here's another cut piece here. She looks like she has suitcases, so she's heading out or gardening. Okay, so go there. Here is a strawberry red-headed little Winnie. Let's see. Shoes, shoes, shoes. So this is all about the shoes and shopping. And so, and this is really heavy-duty cardstock. Here is a little blonde Winnie. Oh, she's dressed up. She looks like she's going to prom. And she's got an envelope, so that's so sweet. And here is the first one I first used and showed you the empty piece right here. And this is like a birthday one. And well, I see on that I used these two. I used these two and didn't use the rest of the cards. See how much I didn't use on this card right here, on these 2 cards. On these 2 cards, look at how much I didn't use that I could have still layered on here, but I said I didn't want to. So I'm going to have just so much extra pieces. So here's what that looks like. But look how much stuff you get. Okay, I'm not even done. So you get all these, and you got to really put them up, peel them apart. You got the doilies. So we got the little Winnies. And then the doilies. Then we got the stickers. I did use a happy birthday off of one, and I haven't used the others because I thought if I make half for me, I'll just use it for when I need it and have it in my stash. And then if I send one to Mom, I'll just send her this, and if it's a birthday, she can use it or just say hello, thank you, with love, you're amazing. So there's that. You get the cards, really heavy duty cards. And remember, if you want it to be an easel card, you just divide this in half and score it down the middle. So here's the cards. We got the cards. We got the envelopes to go with it, so that's really nice. And these are for the inserts. They're all the same for the inserts, but remember, I took this one that was raised and I put it on the outside. I liked the color on the outside, so it doesn't always have to go in the inside, but they gave you enough for it, so that's nice. And then look at all these designs that you get to put on the outside or inside, vice versa, whatever you want. But the colors are so fun, and you know, kids will love, you know, little girls getting this in the mail, your granddaughter, your nieces, just having the birthday cards already pre-done. I'm going to send half to Mom and keep the other half. Any age group will love seeing this. Any girl would love it. If you're having a tea party with friends and you have a card for each one of them saying thank you for coming by, I mean, you could have a pink tea party and have such fun. So look at all the paper you get with this. It's so cute. I just love it. And you know what? It's so easy. You can't go wrong. Everything is here except for the tape and the pop dots. So I'm just tickled to have this. It was just perfect timing. and everything. So let's put everything. I love that everything will fit back in the box. And so let's put everything back in our box, and everything. Yeah. So, and look, here's one of the cards. See? And how it's raised. So let's stick that in there because I know where to go. Here's another one. Now you can understand what I was trying to explain. There's one more. Here's the other card. See, and it's raised. Right here I did bring out my own ribbon. And then here is the other raised one where I did use more of the flowers on here. And you could have pop dotted all this up and really made it raised up too. So remember, the only thing, if you're making an easel card, you have to have a pop dotted, which you could use cardboard underneath there and no one's going to see it. And just make it for you have a stopper to hold it up. And then see, there was one of those that I was trying to explain, one of the border pieces. So yeah, there is my Winnie Pretty Perfect card making kit from HSN. I love it. I think you will too. I think that this summer, get it, have all your girls or boys can craft too, and have the nieces and just say, okay everybody, let's make a couple of cards. I mean, that would be so fun. This is a project for kids for the summer too. So there you go. It comes with everything except for the tape. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.